In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to access TikTok Shop, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step to be able to make it work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be very simple. We need to firstly go into our TikTok app and then of course go into your profile right here, as you can see. So if you're not yet invited to the TikTok Shop program and you're not able to actually access your TikTok Shop, then what you're going to do is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. Now on this page, then what you're going to do is to just simply click on settings and privacy. So click on the settings and privacy button, because then it should take you to this page right here. Now what you're going to do is to just scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. And the reason why you need to actually click on it is because in here we're able to access the TikTok help center, basically customer support center, and they do help with issues, just so you know. So basically what you're going to do now is to just scroll down in here, and then you're going to click on submit a report. So scroll all the way down in here and click on submit a report in here, because then it should take you straight to the page where you can actually contact the TikTok support. So this is the most important step now. What you're going to do is to write like this to the TikTok support. I am currently missing the TikTok Shop option on my account. I need this to be fixed. Be fixed for me. Please get back to me as fast as possible. So you need to write exactly like this now to them. I'm currently missing the TikTok Shop option on my account. I need this to be fixed for me. Please get back to me as fast as possible. Now, of course, also click on submit. And what you're going to do now, because you should be taken to this page right here, I'm just going to wait it for load, and perfect. It says like this, your support tickets, and it says open, right? So you need to wait like a couple of hours, maybe a couple of minutes sometimes, for them to actually reply back to you. So you have to wait and they will reply back to you, and after that, hopefully this will be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.